a particle moving in a straight line from A to B. So a particle is moving from point A to B on a straight line. A particle is moving from A to B on a straight line. The particle, for your understanding, I am taking one vehicle, isn't it? So one vehicle is moving from A to B. Okay, A to B. For first half of time with uniform velocity v1. First half of the time, see, just I am dividing this one, it is A to C. Now A to C, it is total A to B. To time taken to travel from A to B is the t. Time taken to travel from A to B is the t. Now first half of the time means A to C in a time first half of the time. Total time is t means first half of two halves if you taken, that is one is t by 2, one more it is the t by 2. So first half is the t by 2. In the first half it is moving with a velocity is v1. So in the t by 2 first half it is moving with a velocity is v1. In the second time interval t by 2, it is travelled with a velocity is v2. It is second next half of the time with a uniform velocity v2. So second half of the time interval it is travelled with a velocity is v2, isn't it? Then we have to calculate what is average velocity. Now I am calculating. First I have to write the formula. Now what is the average velocity? Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total displacement by total time. Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. What is the total displacement? From here to here, S1 distance I am taking. A to C distance is the S1. So S1 plus C to B distance I am writing is nothing but a S2. Just I am assuming the distance is C to B is the S2. So total distance is A to C is the S1 distance. C to B is the S2 distance. So total distance is S1 plus S2. And total time, A to B total time interval T. Total time interval it is T. Isn't it? Now we know formula. Distance is equal to, or displacement is equal to speed into time. Displacement is equal to velocity into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So I am writing, well, displacement S1 is equal to this S1 displacement covered with a speed of v1 in a time interval t by 2. So displacement is equal to velocity into time. Here velocity is v1, time is t by 2. Now C to B, S2 is equal to S2 displacement covered with a speed v2, time interval, in a time interval it is t by 2. So substitute those values here. Average velocity is equal to S1 means v1 t by 2 plus S2 means v2 t by 2 all divided by time is t. Now if I take the common t, average velocity is equal to, here LCM is the 2, obviously LCM is the 2, and the 2 comes, we can write here v1 plus v2 divided by 2 all divided by time t. Now tt get cancelled, this tt get cancelled, we can write average velocity is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. Average velocity is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. Already we calculated this one. In a equal interval of time, if object cover with a different speed, what is the average velocity is equal to means, that is v1 plus v2 by 2. In the concept I explained this one also.